demonstrating how to properly use a balance. The first thing we're going to do is chart our balance and make sure that it's zero out. Okay, now we're going to open our balance and place this little beaker inside of the balance to get the mass. We're going to close it tight. Okay, now the balance is calculating the mass of the beaker. There is an uncertainty that lies within the last digit of the mass. Also, external factors may cause the readout to shift, such as air and any type of movement around the balance. So to combat this, we have to remain still and make sure that the door is closed tightly. Now, I'm going to record my initial mass, and it is 28.1777 grams. Now I'm going to take the beaker out of the balance and close the door. The next thing I'm going to do is transfer some of this blue liquid into my beaker first. Okay, we're going to stop it. Alright. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to zero out my balance again. Now I will open the door and place the beaker back inside the balance. I'm going to close it tightly and find my final mass. And another thing is that it's important to consistently use the same balance throughout your experiment, because if you use like two different balances, they might not be calibrated correctly and you'll end up with incorrect result. Okay, so now record my final mass, which is 31.4063 grams. And that is it on how we use our balance.
In order to use the balance correctly, what we're going to do is we're going to tar our balance, which means we press this, and so everything is zeroed, okay? Now we're going to open our door and place our empty beaker in here. So this will be our initial mass. Okay, we make sure to close the balance door, okay? Alright, and so this is our initial mass. The last digit over here is the uncertain digit, because any type of movement around the balance can alter our result. And if you leave the door open and air comes in, that can alter our result as well. Okay? And so now what we're going to do is we're going to record our initial mass, which is 28.1715 grams. Okay? And now what we're going to do, we're going to take out our beaker, place it over here, and close it. So, in order to measure our final mass, we're going to suck this blue liquid out and measure its mass, like so. Okay, now we're going to transfer all of this in here. Again, we're going to zero out our balance first, also known as tarring our balance, and we're going to put this in here. And we make sure to close the door. Okay, so our final mass is 30.8667 grams. Okay, it is important to use the same balance throughout your experiment, because if you change from one place to another, it's possible that your result won't be calibrated correctly. And that is the end of our video.